Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Wholeprinting Inc. Today's video is going to be a bit different and I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. Actually, just dropped my phone. But in this video, I'm actually going to be bringing you guys through starting my day. So basically starting my day of production, what I do, and pretty much how I start my machines and how I start my day, how I start my shop if you want. So this video is going to be really interesting. If you like this kind of video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. So I know what I can make more and you guys actually like this type of content. So first thing first, guys, I come over here. This is the shop, right? You guys have seen it probably a bunch of time. Right now it's really like all over the place because of the big orders, but we are going to be expanding soon, guys. So yeah, anyways, my thoughts are going everywhere. I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. But first thing we do, we pull up here in the back. So these are our presses. First thing I like to do actually is just turn on the press because I know I've got some sheets to press already. First thing after that, we want to come over here, take our syringe that is dirty. You should actually be cleaning this the night before, but we forgot. So we're going to be heading over and cleaning it right now before we do our maintenance. Alright guys, so our syringe are now washed. What I'm going to be doing is just drying it real quick, like so just like this. Just making sure there's no more water. I'm actually going to be alrighty guys, so now we've got our syringe ready. The first thing I like to do is turn on this printer, turn on this green button, open this, and shake this one. I like to do especially the white, guys, because the other colors, it's really rare that I have to actually pull the ink. Sometimes it happens, and it might even happen in this video, but most of the time it's only the white that I actually do. So I'm going to open up this, put this aside. And then we're going to do our maintenance real quick. Again, guys, sorry for the angle. I am filming this alone, so do bear with me. A tip with your syringe, always pull towards you. So this is like where I am right now. I'm filming a cross side right now, but always like pull towards you. So if ever the syringe breaks or whatever the case may be, you're going to be actually spilling the ink over you and not over like the prints or the shirts or whatever like might be close to your printer, because it can happen that the syringe pops in your face and like ink splats all over the place. So I've done the first one. I'm going to insert this back inside right here. So I like to just take a bit of my syringe so I mix up the magnesium with the ink, and then we can just insert the ink back inside here. And then we'll do the last one of the white at least. And maybe, who knows, maybe we'll do other colors depending on, you know, the quality of our nozzle check. Perfect. We're done with the last white for now. I'm going to shake this up and then put this back. We're just going to put this to the side here, the syringe, without making it touch anything, especially the white. We're going to put this back on. And then, next step, guys, we're just going to take a page from this printer, which is currently broken. Well, not broken, guys. It's just that we need a printhead that's a bit older than this printhead, because this printhead is actually an updated version. So this printhead actually is clogged up, so it's not printing properly. But anyways, guys, we'll just take this scrap piece of paper. We'll insert it inside the printer. The printer is on. Perfect. So we're going to be actually going over here to the computer. Alrighty, guys. So once you're actually on your Acro Rip software, what I like to do, file and head cleaning. Perfect, guys. So we started the head cleaning. This printer is going to do its thing. Now I'm going to take my syringe and we're going to do the maintenance on this printer. So same old, guys. I'll start by opening this tank right here, opening the printer. Perfect. We're going to shake this tank. Same old, guys. Oh. Alright guys, so now we're done with the 2 white inks. Like I did, I just reinserted it inside of the white ink cartridge. I'm going to put the syringe to the side for now. Now we're going to go over, take a scrap page, but we're actually going to use this one. So what I'm going to do is just start a head cleaning. File head cleaning. So guys, my 2 printers are doing their head cleaning. In theory, once this one has actually started, which it has right now, this one should be finished. I think it's finishing up in like 2 seconds. So we're gonna head over to the computer and we're gonna run a nozzle check once the first printer we've done the maintenance on is done. So right here guys, nozzle check F11. We're gonna go over to the printer and see if the green light is still flashing. So at this moment guys, the green light is still flashing. We're gonna have to wait a bit. While I wait, I'm gonna take a look at my heat press. And yes guys, good stuff, my heat press is ready to go. So what I'd like to do is actually load the t-shirt on my heat press. So while we wait for this actually to finish its head cleaning, we're gonna go ahead and load our shirt that we're gonna be printing today and load the first shirt on the heat press. So basically, if you can find a pattern in this like kind of setup, I'm always moving in the morning, so I'm never kind of like doing nothing. I always like to have a nice flow of action. So going on to the first printer, doing its head cleaning. While it's doing a head cleaning, I do the maintenance on this one and vice versa. Always have a nice flow, always have a type of progression, so we know that we're not losing any time in the morning when we do our maintenance. The first printer actually just finished doing its maintenance. We're gonna run the nozzle check and see what's up. I like to stay close for the nozzle check because exactly, sometimes the page doesn't go in. So even when I'm just loading a normal page, I sometimes just come here and press like this on the page a bit, and then it's gonna pass. There we go guys. Doing its nozzle check as we speak. Perfect guys. So the nozzle check is done. We're just gonna be cutting up this paper so we can actually reuse it on the second printer. And then what we're gonna do, insert this page into the second printer. Take a new page. Let's go. So now we can run our print. Perfect. Now this is going to do its thing. The printer's going to start. There she goes, guys. There she goes, guys. Perfect. And there you have it. This one's done too. So now that the second printer is done, we're going to go ahead and do a nozzle check. Perfect guys, so we're actually missing a few lines, even in the red. We're missing actually a few lines, so what I'll be doing, I'll just take my actual syringe and I'll pull a bit more white ink. It was actually both of them that are missing a few lines. This is gonna cure guys because you haven't pulled enough ink, or you might have to do another head cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys the steps. Perfect, so this is done. Perfect guys, we've done the white inks again. Now what I like to do, I'm gonna put this syringe to the side for now because I'm pretty sure we're gonna be done with it afterwards. I'm gonna put it here for now, I need to wash it. So now, next step, we're going to take our page, we're going to insert it back inside the printer right as so, and we're actually going to do another head cleaning guys. Because yes, you might have re-pulled the ink, but there might be something clogged up a bit, deeper. So, head cleaning, and we'll get back to you guys very soon once it's done head cleaning. We're going to report back on our first printer, which is printing perfectly as we speak. So right now, this is cool. We're doing this. Now, since the first printer has actually been printing for a while, we're going to go ahead and open up our oven, which is already preset to the degrees that we would like it. So now the oven is turning up, the heat press is ready to press this t-shirt once I actually apply it on the press. Now, this printer is actually printing, and this one is doing a head cleaning. Alright guys, so this t-shirt is ready to press. We're actually ready to do another nozzle check on the second printer to see the diagnostic. It was actually still doing its head cleaning, but since I started the nozzle check, it's about to start soon. It's just gonna wait until it's actually done head cleaning. Perfect guys, so the shirt is pressed. We're waiting for it to cool down a bit before we actually peel it. I just want to turn around and show you guys the nozzle check. Wow, absolutely perfect guys. Absolutely perfect, incredible. So we're gonna be cutting out this page right here. Oh, want to be crooked? Yeah, that's good. So we're going to be putting this page into the back of this printer. If ever we need to do another nozzle check, which we will have to. Take another page. And we can start printing with this printer. So, just to tell you guys what we've done in around 20 minutes. We've started up the shop. We've done our maintenance on the 2 printers. We started up the heat press. We pressed a t-shirt. We started our 2 sheets. And now we started the oven and we're waiting for our sheets to come to the printer so we can actually start our day. This took around 20 minutes, and each and every single day we can optimize the process to save a few seconds. Initially guys, this would take us around 45 minutes to an hour. Not gonna lie, especially that we're dealing with the older printer. Now we're getting more and more efficient. Hopefully this video was kind of interesting for you guys to see the daily process of how I set up my shop in the morning. So I'm really excited to post this video. It's really different from my regular posts. So hopefully you guys, like I said, found this video somewhat useful and insightful and hopefully entertaining. If you want to see more videos like this, as I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Wholeprinting Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.